Shatta Wale atima de say the new patriotic party.
Me, I know the job. So make you tell me nonsense.
Ene finance minister every ready budget for 2025. Na busia after reading of the budget to parliament and then the people of Ghana busia NPP ba ko a ono no was say enye omo ene di betting tax and e-levy ebae.
Ladies and gentlemen, betting tax that they said they have abolished. We never collected betting tax. We never implement the betting tax.
Now 12 p.m. almost 2 o'clock and I draw a seven and make a Shatta Wale me come YouTube so the most SM e the nyuma bato a wato ne betting task.
If we trust you, make you trust us. Before I go tell you, say betting tax.
Good yet within some seconds after said the budget was presented in MP in December 2 Shatta Wale say omo na dey betting tax ni any e-levy no buy. Now they shouldn't be acting as if they are not the ones responsible for bringing in betting tax and an e-levy.
Then collect 8 years like that. Today you say no be you bring that.
Shatta Wale said they have collected one money for 8 good years and then still they are still insisting that they don't have any idea of how the e-levy was brought up and how the e-levy came up.
Talk again, make I hear that jazz. You see cutlass, betting tax. Them collect 8 years like that.
And this is the news that is trending on the social media spaces. And you know, and I ever become one summer and will come studios. If today is your first time, click on the button, subscribe, put out some post notification. Your friend is Sticky the Superstar. If you call me Sticky the Superstar, I respond. I go by the name Sticky the Superstar as always. And then you can follow us on Facebook at Kama Entertainment Zone, TikTok at Kama Studios, YouTube at Kama Studios. Na bibi akoso kama afi mamfo munra the nense muno abusia 2025 financial budget and honorable minister and for finance Atofosen Edikotudra in front of parliament and the people of Ghana because it was broadcasted for all Ghanaians and every Ghanaian to listen and watch. And budget no and same any woman e-levy any betting tax. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Odetudwa said when he comes into power he is going to cancel all these 2 taxes, and I say these taxes are binding at my imposing on Ghanaians. And now you to the complaints oh, it seems like the government is trying to double tax the people and then the people are not even working. How come the betting and kofodi want to know how are you deducting them taxes from bonuses or and even if you do deposit and you don't even stake your bet now, they will still deduct you when you're doing withdrawal from your betting account into your Momo account. And that was a very issue and it was trending. People were much more concerned of that, saying say the government should look into it, but well abandon feel good to know. And I'm so Emma and His Excellency the budget are on the finance minister equal ready parliament house and on the 11th March 2025 in Abuja. Scrabbing of betting tax and an e-levy was part of it, and then they are also saying that if this budget is approved by parliament, then it is going to come off. Shatta Wale, dancehall musician from Ghana in Africa.
Today you say no be you bring that. Talk again, make I hear that jazz. You see cutlass.
Africa bandana mukuhu African mezeda and you money yoda so Africa was see the new patriotic party and implementing betting tax and e-levy, so they shouldn't act like they are not the ones responsible for it. And mom could not quench in case any moshe and yen the buyer any moshe abushia was in lies.
Charlie attire for this country. Only they get a youth them monitoring. When them see say we take the money, them start worry we. Olu, you be selfish.
Omwetima betting tax for 8 good years under Nado's governance. Why are they declining? Why are they saying that okay now this betting tax and any omona they buy? Then who brought it? If not you guys, Shatta Wale is having a question for NPP and then those people who were saying say any omona they buy into power, because we all know that they are the ones responsible of betting tax and e-levy. And you want Ghana for them at their friend e-levy. Any betting tax.
You too be selfish. All this money they buy, your children go come, then go rubbish it.
Even in Bawomia's campaign, he said that when he comes into power, he's going to scrap it all.
my government will provide a tax amnesty. The new policies that I am proposing to implement in 2025 will give us the fiscal space to eliminate some taxes, such as the proposed VAT on electricity, if they are still on the books, the emissions tax, and the betting tax, without compromising our fiscal deficit.
Intention the boy who brought it, because we all know, say, under His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the 6 good years of governance in Abuja, because His Excellency the former president at the 2 years on the best spend and then also 4 years, making it 6 years. One for betting tax biamba, he didn't introduce a levy. Shatta Wale no munsem na bushia na me ho adwon so comment section as everybody names the superstar yeka yenjeje nti media ne say me den say no be som na wacha wadwon comment section as nti make say you leave your comment in the comment section so that way you hu ne corner you hu if Shatta Wale was right about this NPP MP who deny betting tax and e-levy being implemented by the government. I'm finally out.